Hello students. In this video we are going to discuss the types of straight line and their equations. So there are around 6 types of straight lines. So one by one we are going to discuss. Types of straight lines. So first of all we'll discuss slope and intercept form. Say for there is a line, say for this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and there is a line and its intercept on y-axis is c, and this angle is say for theta. Then slope of this is going to be tan theta. Now let this point is A, so coordinate of A will become 0, c. So we are taking a point P whose coordinate is h, k. So we can see that slope of AP will be equal to k minus c upon h minus 0. So this is equal to m. So k minus c upon h. So k minus c is equal to mh. So k is equal to mh plus c. Now we are taking locus. Taking locus means k is replaced by y and h is replaced by x. So this is going to be y is equal to mx plus. So this is the slope and intercept form of a straight line, where when coefficient of y, then coefficient of x is the slope, and then c is the intercept on y-axis from origin. You must have to understand it. We have to put the coefficient of y as 1. Then whatever the coefficient of x is there, then it is the slope of the line, and here this will be the intercept on y-axis from the origin. Now we'll discuss second case, slope and 1-point formula. In this case, what happens? You have a line whose slope is m, and it is given that it is passing through a point x1, y. So what we are going to do, we are taking another point P, say for h, k. So slope of AP, that will be equal to slope m. So this is nothing but k minus y1 upon h minus x1, that is equal to m. So k minus y1 is m times h minus x1. So taking locus, then k is replaced by y and h is replaced by x. So this is the required equation of straight line having slope m and passing through a point A whose coordinate is x1, 5. Now we'll discuss 2-point formula. Suppose there is a point A which is x1, y1, and another point B, this is x2, y2, and a line is passing from A. So then equation of AB will be, first of all we'll try to find out slope of A. So it is nothing but y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So we are putting in the first formula, it was m times x minus x1. So now we are putting the value of m here. So it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the simple formula which you have to understand. Now we are going to solve some question to understand in a better way. First of all, Find the equation of a line which is making angle 135 degree from the positive direction of x-axis and having this intercept 3 here. Then what will be the equation? So you can see that m will be equal to tan 135, which is equal to -1, and c is 3. So we are using a slope intercept formula. So y is equal to minus x plus 3. So equation is x plus y is equal to 3. Now we are moving to next question. Say for there is a point A, another point is B, and this point is C. Say for 1, 2, and slope of BC is say for 5. Then find equation of AD. If AD is perpendicular to BC, then find equation of line AD. So what we are going to do in this case, we have a slope BC into slope of AD will be equal to -1 because AD is perpendicular to BC. Why? Because AD is perpendicular to BC. So slope of BC is given to be 5. So slope of AD will be equal to -1. So slope of AD is equal to -1 upon 5. Now we have a slope and we have a point. You can use single point formula y minus y1. A slope x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 2. Slope is -1 over 5 and x minus 1. So it is 5y minus 10 plus x minus 1 equals to 0. So x plus 5y is equal to 11. So this is the required equation of straight line which is perpendicular to the line BC and passing to the point A. So with the help of this we can find out the equation of A. Now we are moving to third question. A, B, C, D. If A is 1, 2 and C is -5, -2, find the equation of line AC. So we have a 2-point formula. Y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So take this as x1 y1 and this take as x2 and y2. So y minus y1, y2 is -2 upon x2 is -5 -1 x minus x1. So y minus 2 is -4 upon -6. So 2 times x minus 1 upon 3. So this is a 3y minus 6 minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. So minus 2x plus 3y minus 4 is 0. Multiplying it by minus, so 3x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So this is the required equation in this case. So that's all in this video. Rest we'll discuss in the next video. Thanks.